Hi, my name is Mr. Arenas, and I'm going to show you how to look for images on Google for your Pecha Kucha. Now, you can just go to Google's homepage. I'm just on google.com. And let's say I want to look up pictures of a dog. My topic is pets. So I want a couple of dog pictures. So I put in dog into Google, hit it, and this comes up. Now, this is all search items available. So videos, pictures, what other people ask for, adoption centers, but what we're looking for specifically is images. So if you notice right here, it says images. We click on that, and now we can look at images. And that's really useful, and a lot of you know that. But did you know you can make it more useful just by going to Tools? When you go down to Tools, it opens these tools. Now, if you're going to be using these with the PowerPoint and everything, you want to get them large. You want to get as big a picture as you can so that when it's reduced in size, it looks better. Because if you have a small image that has to be increased in size, you can see a lot of artifacts. It doesn't look that great. So you want to pick like a large size. You can use any type. That's really up to you. But clip art is more like kind of drawings. Line drawing. Obviously, like kind of black and white line drawings. GIFs are like little moving pictures, right? You guys have seen those before. But any type is fine for right now. Time, so if you're looking at specific pictures or you want specific dates, you can choose this. Now, usage rights. I generally advise you to always use Creative Commons licenses. As long as you're not using these pictures for business, you can use them, you can edit them however you want for educational purposes without infringing on anyone's copyrights. If you use commercial and other licenses, if you're not using it for a commercial, if you're using it for educational purposes, you're usually in the safe. But if you use it for anything other than education, it gets into kind of like a sticky area. So I usually advise Creative Commons. So that's really useful for finding all these different kinds of images and everything, but maybe you're looking for a dog and an owner. So you can change that right here, and you can look for dogs and their owners. Okay. And you can also, by going to color, so you can tell Google to look for images that are mostly these colors. So it's not going to look specifically for that color dog, but if you say, well, I'm looking for my background is dark colored and I kind of want like a black dog or something to kind of fit in with the theme of the PowerPoint. So you can hit black like that. And what it's doing is it's not really looking for black dogs, but it's looking for images where the majority of the color is coming from black, which generally means if the dogs are in the picture, it usually means a black dog, but not always. But as you can see, this is a good way to kind of narrow down pictures and find pictures that fit the themes of your presentations, like color-wise. And so you can do all of that just by kind of modifying things in here in the tool settings. But what happens when you want to save an item, and again, this is not going to show up on your screen, but I'm going to right-click on this image, and it brings up a menu. And one of the menu items is Save Image As. Once you click on that, you can decide where you want to save that image to, where it goes. I would suggest making a folder on your desktop or in your documents and then storing the images in that folder, whatever name you gave it, so that it's easier for you to find and put into your own presentations. And that's how you find images and save them for use in your Pecha Kucha. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Pecha Kucha and add those pictures in.